This presentation is about survey research, a method for scientific inquiry, by Heather Kealos and Marcus Daniels. Survey research is collecting information from a sample of individuals after receiving responses to various questions about a topic. This type of research has been shown to be effective with a larger population, and is effective in collecting data related to various characteristics within a specific sample of people that can relate to behaviors, preferences, politics, or marketing. Many research methods exist and are used for various reasons depending on the information needed, and survey research has been commonly used in the healthcare setting as it is relatively simple to use, cost-effective, and can be conducted faster than other research methods available. Survey research is a versatile method of research that can employ the use of both quantitative or qualitative research, which will all depend on the specific type of information needing to be collected. Specific data related to numerical information would employ quantitative research, while open-ended questions and personal opinion would use qualitative research methods. Survey research can be done using both methods and has been often used to help explore human behavior in social and psychological areas. Survey research can be conducted using various methods, whether it is through questionnaires or interviews. The specific steps associated with conducting these different types of survey research are not set in stone and can vary depending on the target audience and information being collected. There are various ways to administer a questionnaire, whether it be self-administered, administered by a professional, in an individual setting, or in a group. Questionnaires can also be delivered by using multiple methods, which can include paper, electronic, or a combination, and can be done in person, through email, or by using an electronic survey tool. Interviews can be conducted over the phone, computer, or in person, and the information can be obtained using open-ended questions or probing comments. An example of survey research was completed by Leslie A. Kelly. This study was created to examine the relationships between meaningful recognition programs and other predictors on compassion fatigue. It was a quantitative, descriptive online survey. Sample included 726 nurses from 14 hospitals with a recognition program and 410 nurses in 10 hospitals without one. A 3-part survey was sent via email to participants. The 3 parts consisted of demographics, professional quality of life measures, and single-item predictors. The survey was sent out with reminders at 1, 2, and 3 weeks. Results showed similar levels of compassion fatigue and overall satisfaction in both samples. Meaningful recognition was a significant predictor in decreased burnout and increased satisfaction. Job satisfaction and employment were highly predictive of decreased compassion fatigue. Survey research comes with its own challenges and limitations to this method. The challenges of this method include response rates to surveys. Mail-in surveys have a response rate of 25 to 35%. The validity of survey results decrease if less than 50% of a representative sample responds. If the survey is too long, subjects may fail to respond to all components of the survey. Limitations of this method include the simple view of reality. The subjects answering the survey questions are constrained to the options listed. This method is also taken in a moment of time. Depending on the given day, the subject who took the survey could alter their responses to it. In the example of compassion fatigue survey from the slide previously, if a nurse was having a particularly hard day at work, they may score higher in compassion fatigue than one who had a smooth day at work in that one given moment. Lastly, here are our references from this presentation. Thank you for listening.